In this lesson, we want to teach you sound effects. You can use them in your project. Go into Objects and then Sounds. As you can see, we have three categories here: people, nature, and city. For example, in a people, we have all kind of this sound here. You can easily click and drag it on your project in the desired location. Release it. As you can see, you can hear people sound. As you can see, there are in a scene manager, creating scene manager, and you can delete it. For example, another sound. Okay, going back to city, for example, and click and drag. You can explore all kind of design that you want. Nature here. If we move away from the sound location, as you can see, here is a spherical area around the sound. You can easily move them by clicking and dragging and rotate them. You can change the size of this location, for example, to 10 meter. As you can see, if we close and be in this area, we can hear the sound. If we move away from this area, the sound is turned off. You can change the shape to box, for example. Very easy, and you can rotate it as you desire. Okay, change it to sphere and going in this area to hear a sound, and with the volume you can increase or decrease the sound volume. As you can see. Okay, you can enable or disable the sound by here turning off or on. Okay, you can, for example, here add a people talking sound, nature sound, rainy sound. These sounds are included in your output video and make your work more beautiful. And you can use any of them. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.